All right, guys, so this is Vlogtober day. I don't know, honestly. I have not really been keeping track. I've just been trying to push these videos out to you. So the last video you saw was a pantry organization declutter, get my life together video. This video is a fridge clean organization declutter, get my life together video, okay? So what we are about to do now, I am about to do another fridge clean, y'all. I need to clean out my fridge. Y'all know I probably clean my fridge like once every 2 or 3 months, something like that. We are getting everything old out and we are preparing to shop for the week. So with that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the fridge, guys. Make sure you also like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell her auntie and them, y'all, that we are over here. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, it's that time again. Another fridge clean. Please do not judge me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this clean. Okay, so honestly, I do not remember the last time I cleaned my fridge, but I will actually link my last fridge clean above because I'm pretty sure I filmed it. This will be another fridge clean, and this is what we are looking like, y'all. Hopefully, I don't have too many expired items in the fridge. We're gonna check everything, take everything out, wipe everything down, and then put everything back in, or what needs to go in. So this is what we are looking like. This is actually, today is Thursday. You guys know I grocery shop every week. I do a grocery order with Walmart. I either go in the store or do grocery pickup every single week, y'all. So yeah, we are preparing for that. We are getting the old stuff out, and we are you know, just refreshing, cleaning, decluttering, organizing. Let's get right into it.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you.
Okay, y'all, so I am actually doing this in sections just in case I run out of time. Here's what we're looking like now. I'm about to just go through everything and put everything back into the fridge.
With me, I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Chaka bumba, ana naka bumba, chaka bumba, chaka bumba, chaka bumba, ana chaka bumba, ana chaka bumba. Chaka bumba, chaka bumba. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
Alright guys, so I wasn't able to do what I needed to do the same day, so this is actually the next day. I'm actually doing the lower part of the fridge the next day. I just got into the fresh drawers and I cleaned those out really good. Well, took everything out first and cleaned these out really good. So yeah, just continue watching. And that's Amila screaming, by the way, guys. She's okay.